Good morning everyone. Welcome to Success Mantra, an initiative by D-Sales Academy to help IELTS students prepare well for their exam. Today, I'll teach you how to write an introduction to an essay in the shortest possible time period. Remember, time management is very important to crack the IELTS exam. So, I will teach you how to write the introduction in possible time. So, shall we begin? Firstly, for the introduction, we usually follow the 3-sentence structure. One general statement, paraphrasing the question, and your opinion. Fine? Okay. Now suppose this is the question. It is said by some that museums are meant for entertainment. On the other hand, some people say that they are only meant for education. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Fine? Now, I'll have to write a general statement for this topic. One tip for you, whenever you think about a general statement, think around these words: important, pivotal, vital, inevitable, and if it is something negative, think around this word, that is major concern. Suppose the topic is on pollution, you can say that pollution is a major concern. Okay? If the topic relates to education, you can say education plays a pivotal role in an individual's life. Fine? In this topic, as I said, it is about museums. So, first I'll write the general statement concentrating on any of these words. So, here it is: museums play a pivotal role in connecting past and present. So my general statement is over. Now I need to paraphrase the question. Paraphrasing the question means you have to reorganize the sentence, but at the same time make sure that it conveys the same meaning. Fine? Now how do you reorganize? What you can do is, whatever is at the end, you can bring it to the beginning of the sentence, or else you try to put synonyms for these words. Now suppose in the examination hall, you are not able to think of a synonym of entertainment. So you can use the word entertainment, the different forms of the word entertainment. For example, you can think of a sentence with entertain. Okay? Similarly, here we have this word education because it serves the purpose of education. So, instead of education, think, what if I construct the sentence using other forms of education like educational or educate? Okay? Now, let us go to paraphrase the question. While a section of the society believes that its purpose is to entertain, others opine that it serves educational purpose alone. I believe that museums are meant to entertain and educate. Okay? So, you will be able to write your introduction in less than 2 minutes if you follow this technique. I need to save my time so that I can concentrate more on my body paragraph, which is more important to get the required score. And we have to do the entire essay writing in around 40 minutes. So please follow this technique so that you can write the introduction in just 2 to 3 minutes. Now this is the second question. Many criminals re-offend after they have been punished. Why do some people continue to commit crime after they have been punished? What measures can be taken to tackle this problem? It is yet another type of essay that you might get for your IELTS. Now, as I said earlier, we have to concentrate around few words to write the general statement. Here, crime is something that is negative, so we will concentrate on this word that I gave you initially. So, the general statement is ready. Increasing crime rate is a major concern. The next step is to paraphrase the question. This part we have to paraphrase. So as I told you earlier, try to bring in this portion in the beginning and put this thing at the end. Another way is try to find the synonyms of some of the words. For example, instead of many, you can write a large number. And instead of punished, if you're not getting another word for punished, try to convert it into the other form like punishment. Okay? Now see, this is how the paraphrasing of the question looks like. In this context, it is noticed that this portion first, even after punishment, a large number of criminals continue to commit crime. So the paraphrasing is over. Yeah? Now the final sentence, which will give an indication to the examiner what is going to come in the essay. There are several reasons behind this tendency among criminals. However, viable measures are available to overcome this menace. This portion can in fact be learned and used for all the questions of this pattern. So see, we can in fact write the introduction in less than 3 minutes. Okay, the third question. Life today is much easier and more comfortable than it was when your grandparents were children. Do you agree or disagree? This is yet another type of essay that you can get for your IELTS writing. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, we'll try to write the general statement around the words that I already mentioned, like important, vital, pivotal or inevitable. So here I have a general statement written out. Lifestyle change is an inevitable part of human existence. Now comes paraphrasing of the question. Now question can be paraphrased in another way also. Now here the words like much easier, think of the opposite of easy. What is opposite of easy? Opposite of easy is tough. More comfortable, I can put less comfortable. Okay? And when your grandparents were children, that means your ancestors. So now we have the paraphrased sentence. In this context, it is noticed that comparatively our ancestors had easier opposite tougher and comfortable opposite less comfortable life. So you can also think of paraphrasing the question by selecting the opposite word of the word that they have already mentioned. Okay? And then finally your point of view, undoubtedly advancement in science and technology has eased our life when compared to past. Okay? So I'll just repeat it. Lifestyle change is an inevitable part of human existence. In this context, it is noticed that comparatively our ancestors had tougher and less comfortable life. Undoubtedly, advancement in science and technology has eased our life when compared to past. So remember students, try to frame out your introduction in 3 sentences. Try to think about the general statement around the words that I gave you. Then you paraphrase the question. While paraphrasing, either you try to get alternate forms of the words that are already there, or else you can try to find the opposite of the words that are there, and then you reorganize the sentence so that the sentence conveys the same meaning but has a new structure. And finally, you give your point of view. So if you finish off your introduction in 2 to 3 minutes, you will have ample amount of time to finish the entire essay, that is the body paragraphs, in the stipulated time, and you can get the required band score. Thank you.